Hey, welcome to Java Technocrafts. In this video, we are going to discuss about the quicksort algorithms, which are usually used. So the advantages are that it rapidly and effectively has the best time complexity, and it is quicker to sort the large number of elements. Right. So basically, let's dig into some example which we can try to see like how the elements get sorted. So in this example, I have picked up five elements. This size 5. So these are the elements that I have considered. So in this we can pick up any of the pivot index. Pivot index is something where the point where we would the algorithm will start to sort. So let's choose 12 as the pivot over here. So once we choose 12 as pivot index, basically what the algorithm does is that it basically identifies the elements which are less than 12 and moves them to left side and rest of the elements to the right side too, so that it can sort it out iteratively and effectively sort all the elements. So basically we have 12 and it has moved the element 5 towards the left, and rest of the elements which are greater than 12 are moved to the right side. So here these three elements are not sorted. So the same way it will iteratively identify the pivot index in the out of these three and try to sort them out. So let's choose 23 as the next pivot index, so that once we choose 23 as the pivot, basically there is no element which is less than 23 over here, so nothing in the left side, so everything all the elements goes to the right, and it will try to sort it out the 34 and 55. So we can see that all the elements are sorted now. So 5 is from 5 basically till 55 it will move towards the chain, the linked list, and then it will put the elements in the order. Here the order is 5, 12, 23, 34 and 55. So so if there are more elements, the more iterations will happen. That is what we can see here. So if the but it is very quick compared to other merge sort. Sorted so quick sort is ideally preferred. So let's try to run an example sample example over here in Eclipse. Let me open the Eclipse. So basically, I have the code already there. So I'm generating random numbers. So these numbers, like it can we can choose any number of elements over here. If I choose 10, so it will generate 10 elements and returns over here, which will get sorted with the quick sort. So here basically the start element and end element initially will be 0 and the length of the array, and it will iterate based on the splitted arrays, and then finally provides the output of the sorted element. So let's run this. So basically it took 30 swaps to sort this number of 10 elements over here, and if I choose some 3, basically the number of swaps would be very less. Let's see. So the total swaps is 3. So since this is random, the 3 is not fixed, so in this case it is 5, because depends on the order of the elements we have in the chosen. So that is all from Java Technocraft. Java Technocrafts is an freelancing providers. Basically, we do assignments, homeworks, and also provide the trainings in the areas which is required. So you can browse through Java Technocrafts and choose to ping us in case if you have any assignments that needs to be done, or else if you want me to provide any training, we can do also provide you the trainings in the required areas. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.